All right. Got to get my coffee in. All right, so pins got an upgrade. NIO got an upgrade. But we can't really trade this over or under this area here. It's too congested right now. I would rather get it down here in this volume area around 45. Actually, I should probably set an alert for that. I have straddle alerts on Boeing today. Don't think I will trade it because I'm pretty sure that we're just going to consolidate more, but we are gonna bounce off this 9-day, and I mean, I assume we'll be between 210 and 220 for this week. Look at the weekly candle. Yeah, we had an inside week. We're gonna form an inside week, I think. Not a bad thing, but Lulu is almost at my 380 target. Net is up, but I'm just gonna keep it simple. Focus on PayPal, Square, Nvidia, Apple, AMD. What the heck? There we go. Some good. Maybe Zoom because of whenever you drop in premium like that. It's nice to trade the volatility. How's it going, y'all? Are you awake this morning? Still getting up? I woke up at 5 a.m. 5:30. I don't know why. All right, so this combination is the same combination that I saw on SQ yesterday that didn't work out. The candle didn't finish at all the way that I thought it would. You see how it's yeah, it didn't finish at all the way I thought it would, but the daily on SQ looked really good to me. And now we're getting this little gap up. So we get over 214 and we should see 220 in a second because of the way this candle combination works. So I'll be waiting for that, watching that. Message retracted. What's up, big bull? Bitcoin dropped $1,500 today to almost, actually it was almost $2,000, which is insane. Imagine you own just like 2 Bitcoin. That's a lot of money, but you're just dropping 10% every, or like gaining 10%, dropping 10%. Oh, PayPal, ya ho. Why? I always celebrate too early on PayPal. Everything came down a little bit. Wasn't just PayPal. Except for Apple. Apple went up. All right, we're gonna stick on Nvidia this morning based on what I was saying on Twitter. If we can get back into 534, well, let's see, because we have this move here, so maybe just filling the gap at like 538, 537. Use this as my risk level. It should be good. That's the plan. We have a lot of congestion here around 544. But we'll see. So there's two possibilities. One, the opening candle could bring us up to 544. That would be interesting. Let's see what happens. God, my Thinkorswim is slow right now. No. Is it just me? Is your guys' Thinkorswim slow? Alright, well. Because on my screen it's very slow. Why? Oh shit, our Nikola puts just got hella in the money. A nice little present. So the reason I sold there is because I know that so Nikola, when it was downtrending, it would crash in the first candle and then it would slowly build back up during the day. SQ just got a bid. Facebook got a trigger. It's kind of weird. Ah, it's into this 280, 290 range. Actually, this one could be good today. Looks like we have right now value stocks that are leading. And Nvidia came into my target here. Ah, shoot. Do I want to focus on Nvidia or Facebook? Let's see what AMD is doing and then we'll decide. Yeah, AMD's down too. I don't know. This is my risk area right here. This is a good dip buy, I think. So we're going to do it and we're going to... We'll pay a... Let's see if I can get in. It's a little risky because we haven't seen an actual bounce yet, you know? And I don't like buying pre-bounce. Like, I'd rather just wait to see if we're gonna have even more down. But I'll scale into it until 530. Like I won't. I'll let this run a little bit because of the way that it's been bouncing. Yeah. And I kind of expect the cues to be reacting. I'm watching it on my other screen, the way they are right now. Because of where we're at. But... Okay, PayPal is doing nice and tight. Riot is down because Bitcoin is down. Target should be ripped today because of the way that it performed. All right, so we're getting, hopefully we finish this hammer out and then we'll be able to see something nice. I'm surprised AMD is as down as much as it is based on an Apple as well at the open here. So if we are able to recover 536.50 here, this will be a good little turnaround. But right now, PayPal is going to be the winner so far. Look at us. We're up 63% here. I actually reduced my PayPal contracts, which was a mistake. Yeah, we have value right now outperforming JPM. Facebook is very interesting. It should get a 290. I mean... Yeah, it's a break. It's a range breaker here. Look at that. Nvidia got invalidated. The hammer, at least. Just pure value right now, performing well. Tesla's got, yeah, Tesla got sold on that. Wow. All right, we're getting a gap fill on the keys to 300. I think my square is the one that's doing bad right now. Yeah. All right, NVIDIA, I'm watching. I need this to bounce around 530 or else. Well, I'm not going to get out right now, but the setup is not what I'd like it to be anymore because of the way the hammer's forming, or the hammer got. I don't know. It's like right on the 21 now. 532, 533. Should bounce here. I mean, this is a big drop. Playing the percentages here. And the way that I know that NVIDIA likes to, oh shit, I didn't get filled. I can't chase it if it doesn't get filled. Yeah, Apple recovered. Okay, my thing got filled on AMD. Or sorry, on NVIDIA, not AMD. I don't like the way that Square has been like selling off every morning. But I mean, it's gotten bought back up every time. Apple's so strong. All right, we're gonna have to trade this as well. What am I trading? The 123s? You can see where it filled right here. NVIDIA is not bouncing right now. Not where it's supposed to. Last chance here at 530. I still think we should hammer though. I mean, I'm almost positive we're gonna hammer on NVIDIA, but I mean, right now the price is not reacting that way, you know? Hmm. There's the hammer. Shit. Took so long. Didn't even hammer though. I didn't even finish up here. 534. I'm doing what a lot of people do. Look at Facebook. Wow. Right now I'm doing what a lot of people do in bull markets, which is just buy the opening. Let me get a 3-bar on Apple. Nice. Just buy the opening dip with the expectation that it'll get bought back up, because that's what happens in bull markets. Things get bought back up. All right, we need NVIDIA to come through here. Facebook and Netflix are the ones that are. This is such a weird, always a weird rotation that happens between these names. There goes Apple. Nice. Plan is to sell around 123. Hopefully it brings the entire market up with it, you know? It should, I think. But we'll see. AMD doesn't look too hot though. Apple's so strong. Oh my god. All right, let's check the top gainers here. Moderna again, Pfizer, TSM, Facebook, losers. Wow, Zoom got crushed. The heck? Really crushed. Oh, it's actually at a different. I don't think I'm trying to trade this today though. I'm not a big fan of what's happening here. It would need to come a lot back up. Let the moving averages come into it. And I also went down. It was at 52 pre-market. Snap, PayPal is hanging out around 217. Wow, Apple's so strong. These are some fat candles for Apple, like really fat. compared to it's been given the last I don't know how long. Nvidia is not helping me out right now. Neither is PayPal or Square. And we're going lower on AMD. Where am I at? Where's this thing at? I think, you know, I should have sold premium Tesla like I said I was going to. I didn't, though. We didn't really get a pop. But it went right there. What are the 600s or the 700s trading for? Ridiculous. Come on, PayPal. You can do it. I'm sitting. I gotta be a little bit patient here. It's half the game. Patience pays. All right, where's Facebook at again? Wow, strong. 290. Playing the wrong names today. I'm still hoping we get this rotation back into semis, which were strong yesterday, or some of them at least. And this thing has been so weird. People have been accumulating this, and look where it's gone. It looks ready. Right now it's a load of choppy. Oh shoot, I got yogurt on my breakfast. All right, Apple pullback. Triple wicking. But this is the way that Apple likes to do stuff. I'll do this weird shenanigans. I'm waiting to see what direction we're gonna pick. All right, PayPal, come on. Give me 220. It's hard for me to read the tape and talk at the same time. So that's what I'm struggling with right now. Target up. Such weird price action on this. We'll have to keep an eye on that one. I'm also gonna keep an eye on shop because see if we can put it in the inside day. Oh, we're going for a range break here. 302.50 on the Qs. Let's check on SPY really fast. It's a nice day. Oh, there you go. We got a range break. 367. Yeah, it's definitely a range break. I'm gonna try to rotate my money here. I took 50% on that, but I don't like the way that Square is really looking, to be honest, with this thing here. But I'm not gonna sell it for a loss as long as it's above its 9-day. Good morning, y'all. For some reason, my pal speaks at 10. For some reason, my chat wasn't coming through. Bitcoin is back up to 19,300. Bottom fishing ZM and Nicola. Well, that I mean ZM maybe, but Nicola, good luck. But like I said though at the open, that it does tend to drop the first morning candle and then recover. Zoom has bounced 10 points, but it's super volatile. NIO is down. See, look at these names. It's kind of weird. Kind of weird. Let's see what else is not doing well. I'm sure Palantir is moving. I just am not trading it. So. Oh, damn. Shop came all the way down to 1060. I should have had an alert. Should have had an alert. All right, we're going to put another alert here. Just in case. Crowd down. Apple's so strong. I'm about to exit my position though. Let me scale out a little bit. I'm scaling out. Wow, this thing is hot. I gotta see if I can get filled here. Oh shit, I didn't put it out in time. Oh, I got filled. There we go. Right when I was about to change it. Alright, well, I'm taking a... Oh, we just got a nice little candle there. I haven't taken off all of them yet. Reversal hammer. Okay. CRSR. Oh, yeah, nice. I mean, the 21-day bounce. I mean, the fact that it didn't bounce on the 9-day after this move up is kind of concerning in my mind, because a strong name should bounce on a 9-day. But that being said, like this area right here, what is this? 44, 45, somewhere around there. Right there. Above the wicks, but right next to the drop point. I should get at like 45, probably. Plug 25s. I didn't get a link. Okay, Nvidia's coming back, AMD's coming back, Apple's going down, so I think I'm rotating with the market. You want to be in flow. In flow, that's the goal. And my Nvidia now is back to even. And it looks like we're going to get a range break on the Qs. The only... So PayPal I sold 350, 355 now. Nvidia, we're positive now. There's the range breaking candle on the Qs. Right now, SPY is out. Values, like I said at the beginning, value is outperforming tech, but I don't think that'll last. I think that we might see what we've seen the last week, which was that value outperformed tech in the morning while tech sold off, but then tech came back in the middle of the day. So that's sort of what I positioned for right now. And right now, it looks like it's paying off with Nvidia. Now that I have successfully averaged down on Nvidia, I will reduce some exposure here, but this is a nice little bounce. Let's wait on it a second. I'm gonna wait on it actually. Yeah, I sold Apple. That's why it's not going anywhere. It knows. 122.50. That's sort of where I sold it at. Just take the profit, I guess. Space is up 7%. See, it's crazy what happens when you are patient. You're able to rack up the gains because of just waiting for the money to rotate, not freaking out. It's the goal. Wow, Nvidia, let's go. Let's go. Let's go, Nvidia. That's what I'm talking about. All right, AMD should come back. All right, nice. People calling out TSM. Let's check on TSM. Oh, 100, baby. Yeah, I like that. TSM has this capacity to just rip off. Like, if I were to characterize TSM, it's kind of... Oh, this is a nice base that has formed as well. Nice base. It's kind of like a streaky player. Has the capacity to just... Look at this base. This is beautiful here. This is a nice base. Tesla's 591 again. To be honest, I don't really know where it's going. QCOM is ripping 150 now. Another nice base. I love the stock QCOM and it's XDiv here. So we're gonna let our money work. Gonna let our money work. Apple above its pivot now. Chips are hot. So Q's 103, or sorry, 303 is the 303.15 is the what's it called? Top whatever. My question is, why is SQ so weak? I think we're gonna have to give up SQ here. I don't like it, but I don't like the way it's looking. We'll take the loss. Oh, I got filled. Okay. When you're super out of the money in SQ, the options move really fast actually. And the spread is really wide actually. It's kind of odd. All right, I sold SQ for a loss. PayPal, I sold already. Nikola, I sold already. Nvidia, I'm in still. AMD, I'm in still. I have a starter in that. Target, I'm in still. DraftKings, in still. This little IPOB thing that is not doing well right now. And you know, this pullback on Grog, when we get to 30, it is buyable. Like, we haven't even touched the 9-day in this entire run out. So we get 3 days down. The third day, you want to buy it. That's what you wanted to do. Third day down. So that might have been, so my now that I entered my positions in the first 15, 20 minutes, I now try to scale to see what I want to keep throughout the week, the afternoon, and take everything else off. Even if it's at a loss, because you don't know. So in the morning, you don't know what's going to bounce. You don't know where the money will flow into. Once you see where the money flows into around like 10 o'clock, you want to take your money out of the ones that are underperforming, and let your money in the ones overperforming do the work for you. A 100% is fine. Yeah, PayPal. So I have 221 on my chart. Yeah, Yoon. So Yoon, in these bull markets, the dip, like, they sell it off in the first 15 minutes, and then it just gets bought right back up. Target new high. This thing is so bullish. It's insane. Like, it's not going to stop until 194. And then I will unload my contracts around 190. Good to know about Roku, because I think I want to buy that as well. But not yet. We'll wait until later. Yeah. It was strong. I think there was some data out on Sunday night actually as well. So, all right, shop. Look at this. Look at this candle. Beautiful. Just let the moving average catch up. What is this music? Help. Next. All right, so if we look at the Qs here, 100% retrace. We hit it, 3 cents off. I don't like this song either. So what are we gonna do here? I don't know, but I should have sold Nvidia about 10 cents ago, and I didn't. So it went from 25% to 7% just in that, but I think we should be okay still. I'm looking for some news here. Right, target. Well, I know Shop reported their numbers. Oh man, there's PayPal. 220.50. It was a good chart. Missed out on like $100, but all right, so I sold SQ. Nvidia is now coming back down. Wow, look at that sell on PayPal. That's pretty sizable. All right, let's take it to Shop now. See what happens here. I'm gonna keep my eye on Nvidia too. So the keys are gonna struggle here, like at this 100% retrace for a little bit at least. SPY, I don't really have any. Let's see what I can craft up. Ah, that's a that's a really big gap actually. Wow. That is a big gap. AMD is going to get over its range here. Let's turn to that. I'm torn between buying now when the, well, let's see what it does here at 93. Sometimes these candles here, 94.12, like there we go, 93. All right, punch it. Someone punched it right there. Wow. Look at that. Someone punched the buy button. Somebody punch the buy button. Yeah, that's good on Roku. You see the double wick here? Oops. And the double wick on here as well. It's pretty nifty. Man, MU is up 5%. I hated this stock a while ago. And it's just been what the heck? What the heck? Did it really? Oh, that was a misclick or something. Facebook still looks good. NVIDIA is not really doing what I want it to be doing here. Wow, this is very calming music, huh? Someone really punched that buy button at 93. I was like, let's see what happens at 93. Boom. And look at the tape. The tape is just so strong. Look at these buyers. Someone's sitting on the bid here at 93.16. But not even like 100 bid on the 93.16. I don't even know if it'll get filled though. There it is. It got filled. Basically. Keys are hitting up against that all-time high. It did make an all-time high at one point. I'm seeing if I can get filled again. It didn't fill me. I should have had an order out. That was my bad. I should have had an order for 92.9. That was my bad. I don't know if I'll get filled or not, but here we are. Yep, I sold them the first candle of the open. I probably should have tweeted about it. My bad. Yeah, I sold it first candle, 420. Thanks, it was a good gain. Trying to figure out what's dragging me down here. I think it's DraftKings. Got to do a little bit of a autopsy. Yeah, someone. Okay, so I was looking at a trader and wow. All right. Well, here's the price. This is a volume level right here, 4673. It doesn't look like my line is very artful though. But there's a couple touches on it that make me think it's gonna bounce here. All right, let's see what these. Oh, there it is. Yeah, third down. We're gonna back test the cues here, which is not a bad thing. Where is it at? Back test. I'm debating between buying shop or not, but I just don't want to. It could be, but at the same time, it is a trend reversal for sure. But because of the supply zone, it is less likely. But I mean, like, I would say the indices always react like this when it reaches a high after a long period of time. But we now have 1, 2, almost 3 touches. This one is the second one actually. But like, it would be natural structurally for us to stay between 297 and 302 like this before the actual breakout. Let's go check on DraftKings here. See you, Joe. Have a good one. Thanks for tuning in. Like this one with this little doji and then the increasing volume, that is a little bit of a like a warning sign. It should fill this 305 for sure. Snow down. That wasn't supposed to be any type of pun. Surprised at how weak these names are, some of them. But I mean, this one kind of makes sense because of the trend line here. It's weird. Thinkorswim has this weird thing that it shows the chart wrong. All the names that were really green yesterday are now red. So P-Ton, Shop. NVAX, that's a big reversal actually. Might be time to short Moderna, you think? You think? I mean, maybe. There's a lot of room down there. That is a lot of room. All the way down to 130. I mean, 150 at least, right? 155. I'm watching my NVIDIA calls right now as well. AMD's kind of turning around here. All right, I think I'm gonna try to scalp this though. Right? I think that makes sense. I mean, if we just get a dead drop here, it would be kind of sad, but oh, 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 they're trying. You gotta, for your lines, you know, you gotta wait to see if it reacts to it. If it reacts to it, then you know your line is right. Your level. NVIDIA is looking kind of precarious here. We're in the danger zone on the indices. I wish I was thinking about selling my NVIDIA up there, but I didn't. I wanted to take my money out below my fib level, but it didn't sell immediately. That's a big share wall. At 47. Oh, we poked it. This is a really dangerous scalp. I probably shouldn't be doing it. Big turnaround here. I'm still trying to see what NIO is gonna do here. It's holding this level pretty by a thread. The shorts are trying to win it over. Target went red to green here. Oh, come on. Wow, I paid a lot for these. What am I gonna take for them? 220? Something like that, maybe. I don't like the way Target looks when it does that, but I can't do anything about it. All my swings are red today. It's not helpful. Man, I didn't catch the bottom. My contracts were down 10% at the when it hit right here. So I didn't exactly catch the bottom. Yeah, a lot of things are breaking down here. Yeah, the comments. I don't know what's wrong with the comment section. Sorry. I can't do much about that. trying to decide when I'm gonna sell these. I'm trying to get a like 210. I paid $2 for them, but I don't think I'm gonna get it. Well, that was a failed scalp. I paid a fee to TD Ameritrade. That's about it. Yeah, I don't know. This NVIDIA call. Tesla's breaking down. Let me check on that. I didn't sell the premium like I said I was going to. I still feel like I can. No, I would sell call spreads on it. Not put spreads. Not after a 50% move up. Yeah, PayPal came back down too. Look at that. Couldn't really top fish that. I tried with NIO to scalp. Didn't work. I'm checking next week's 1100s for shop. And also checking the chart structure from previous runs. I kind of, I keep saying that I want a piece of it, and I never get a piece of it. So what am I doing here? What a fade. That's like the big change up here for my P&L. It was up up 150 or something, and now it's down 150. I mean Nvidia too, but I'm still banking on AMD here. But I might have to wait till tomorrow for this to actually show up. Google's performing pretty well too. Ah man, this shop chart, where's shop at? Let's bring it back. It's down 3% now. Maybe it'd be better to reload around like right here, 10:30, something like that. All right, AMD. Last time I sold your dip. This time I bought your dip. We'll see if you do the same thing again. I'm gonna have to. Look at this, the cloud sector. That's kind of weird. Sky is the cloud ETF. Cloud computing. Been the strongest one. But this is a reversal candle right here. Why is this like this though? I don't have a... SMH has been doing quite well because the other semiconductors have been going off. Like this one. Is it ripping? I haven't got an alert for it. What the heck? Oh, I set my alert for 218. Why did I set my alert that high? I thought I set it for lower. I thought I would have set it here. I'd rather have AMD here than NVIDIA. So I took 5% loss on that. Right at this candle, actually, before it turned red. So we'll see if that was a good idea. Man, this is what happens. These swings are crazy. I mean, I haven't been trading poorly. I had some good trades. It's the swings that are really pulling me down here. I should have bought Apple dip. Definitely. All right, y'all, 10 o'clock. Gonna head out. I had some good trades. I had well, they were mainly good swings. Nikola, PayPal swings. SQ negated some of the PayPal gains. Apple had one good trade. NVIDIA pretty much, broke even. And I added to AMD on the dip. It looks a little confused to me. Same with Amazon. Look at this shit. Yeah, have a good day, Jeff. Yoon, have a good day. Appreciate it. Yeah, it's all value right now. Look, this MU and TSM are the ones that rip with value. And then CCL, AAL, Pfizer, healthcare. JPM, the banks. All the cloud stuff is down. I'm gonna probably look to swing P10 here. This is a wide bid ask. Yeah, I got filled at 166. All right, I'm creating a start. It's like sourdough. You got to create like a starter position or whatever. Watch it grow. Take care of it, nurture it, whatever. Yeah, P10 it's very profitable to buy low. I mean, like obviously that's every stock. It's profitable to buy low and sell high, but P10 tends to rip when you buy if you're able to buy it low. But all right, don't want to make this stream longer than it has to be. Right now, I am up $74, $80. We went as high as up $1,200 and as low as down 500. So not the best. I think the swings are basically what's dragging me down. I'm down like 600 on the swings. On the longer term swings, I mean. But those will be profitable in the long run. I'm not too worried about it. I like my target position still. It had a big move up already. It's just consolidating. Grog 30. One more down day. IPOB I'm not too sure about. I'm down 7% on it right now. I'm just gonna, I mean, we might gap fill on it, you know, but DraftKings, I'm actually looking to add to DraftKings today as well. Nice little bounce. Yeah, it looks good to me. Might take a 55 starter in that as well. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do that. All right, AMD, do your thing. I bought your dip. Show me what you got. Nvidia I sold already, so all my money's in AMD in terms of what I'm giving to my swings here. I think BlackBerry is up because they're giving cloud stuff to Amazon. So I'm not going to chase that news play. Nvidia just, what did I sell for? Damn. Oh well. I bet you, watch, Shop is going to finish around 1075 today. 1080. Something like that. Sorry, I'm still checking my positions here before I end this stream. Another swing candidate is Roku. But it's, you know, Roku as well tends to rip when you buy low. But it's kind of hard to buy low on Roku for me, at least. It's really volatile. All right, y'all. I'm out of here. Thanks for joining. If you like the stream, hit the like button. It helps a lot. Appreciate it. And I'll see y'all probably one more time this week. The streaming is going fine for me. I like it. But have a good one. Peace.